I-greet ko lang ang anak ko, Day, good morning. Ngayon si Inday, mabait yung batang yan. At katulad yan sa ama. Pero bitaw itong inon.
Anda!
I would like to greet each one of you. Good morning.
Hello?
You know, it's been a year since we sang songs for caroling here in the city of Davao. But now, we come again because we know that you are so generous. Basin may lang mo palakpak, di mo pupi aha. Naiwan ko si Bungo doon sa Malacan niya. Ano pa siya doon? Mag-basketball pa siya. By the way, let's go back to our point here, you know. Madam Day. I know Inday is very generous person. Kung si ate, pinuha kita to. Nag-ihap na siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maabot kayo na 10 mil na to light the day, no? To light up the day. Be joyful because it's Christmas. But not only because it's Christmas that you are here. You have to be joyful, no? And I ask you to please pray for our president, no? For the good heart and his perseverance, no? And also to the city of Davao, because the Davao city is already flourishing, no? Davao life is here. Okay. So, sabayin ko niyo ingon nga Davao life is here. 1, 2, ready, go. Iya, ram. Husga ninyo. Kulbaan po ko kami ng sniper na to.